painting, you don't need to explain. Painting talk by themselves. Yeah, so that we need just to apply our beautiful stroke, beautiful energy in the painting. Don't explain too much. Don't critique too much. When I train myself long time to connect. So when I paint something and I don't see any other thing, in your garden, just see it. And just say to one corner of your garden. Amazing. And each part, they got amazing nature order. Not artificial order. And beautiful nature happening. And your eyes read the order, natural order. And then tone. Your eyes naturally analyze the tone. And the perfect subject. Or gift. I don't think. No. Only how much you love it and how much you have time to dedicate and practice. Only that. Make time. Today you learn how your mindset and how you apply the stroke. Please train your hands. Don't apply brushwork like that. Beautifully landing, airplane landing, and just beautiful apply. So give time to train your hands. I will make 4 different tones: red, brown, green, and blue. What color in the middle? We call bridge color. Travel to another color one, the bridge color, and half something, half something. Yeah, that's bridge color. So you need to choose when you change color. Always without that, rainbow. Rainbow is all the boundary. Oh, you're blue, I'm orange. You're red, I'm green. But if you apply the bridge color in the between, and they travel, beautifully travel. So it's like a melody, beautiful melody. And then you can see how they color like each other too.
Gorgeous.
And this one color we can green to this color nicely too. So nothing screaming I hate that color. This one tone, the tone in tea, coffee, butter, coffee, tea, that tone. And with a bridge color, any tones they love. But we need to make what is my major tone? What is my main season? Spring or autumn or winter or what season? What my room temperature? And then you can choose what color tone. Each color got a different temperature. Can you see this color temperature? This one is all different temperature. Yeah, so we can choose what my forest air temperature. Lemon yellow and permanent yellow, yellow deep, vermilion, and red, opera, the crimson lake, violet. From that order, this order, they are one family. So I make red tones, use this from yellow to only this part, the violet. I don't use any the other side. Only from yellow, lemon yellow, permanent yellow, orange, vermilion, red, crimson, violet. They're all one team. 1 or 2 stroke. Scoop all the color there. And the ocean and like an eagle, the feeling. Because same feeling when I paint. Using your whole body, listen your body like a yoga. Your body had to work all together. So best one, kiss. Each person I hold your hands, and then you can feel how also pressure is one stroke. You gotta hold it. If you make a freely one stroke, that's your answer. That's your power in your painting. So that's what you learn today. How you stroke and freedom and feel. But we need to apply 3 different tones. Tea, coffee, butter. Only that. Only apply tone. And then one thing, wallpaper painting is all the same direction. But brush love, not all the if you use all the same line. Yeah.
Boring.
Yeah. If you move slightly, change the angle. 15-degree magic. 15 degree. 15 degree about that. Slightly, not like that. Not like that. And 90 degree. 90 degree is the most confusing. But magic, 15 degree magic. Yeah. They love. We need to choose which way is the T tones to describe background, sky, open sky, and then move far out of focus background, and they're getting clear. So in the last bit, more close to I'm using coffee and butter and make a really outstanding pop up. And the tone, oil painting, we start from the middle tones. Oil painting. Yeah, we start from the white canvas, but we put all the middle tone and start middle tone to tone here in the middle, push a little bit and a little bit, push a little bit. Yeah, we build the tone like that. The oil building. The watercolor one, we start from the light and slowly push back to the dark. So that's what we start from the white paper. And the next tone, white, yellowish, pure color, a little bit on after white tone, and then getting. So don't jump to the tea, to the butter, and the dark and light and middle, and then this is, yeah. So this watercolor beauty, less detail, simplest way, soft shape, and mood, and pure. From your stroke and clean tone. That's it. That's watercolor power. My eyes follow the artist's brushwork, not the color. But the people totally miss, they only look the color. But my eyes see how their brush work go, the hands how they go, and the pressure things. So different points. Water play in your paper. Our brush stroke, the one energy, one gentle and gentle. like a music, beautiful music. That's your brochure or something make them happen. That's energy. When I start paint, my mind is my whole spirit travel to that place. So I don't worry about everybody watching me. And this time I slowly travel to forest.
I know a place where we can go and be alone. So come away with me, nobody has to know where we gonna go. I was just calling to see if you're free to run away with me, to run away with me. Don't tell your friends, we'll let them know we're safe later on. The road's calling, sun on our skin, sleeping under stars when it's gone. I was just calling to see if you're free to run away with me, to run away with me, to run away with me, to run away with me.
Essential beauty, give up other things, just one or two essential one, and give up most of things. But as I couldn't understand, and I think, why people digging the corner? Yeah, it's always they worry about all the rock is there and little rock there and color there, and this. Don't worry about that. Just step back, see the big picture, and apply beautiful stroke, tea, coffee, butter, watching how they play each other. Only that, I think that's what, and you can enjoy each time.